Alright, so today we're changing the air filter, putting in a K&N, plus we're changing the 8 coil pack. So we have 4 in front, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 4 in the back as well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we're getting a misfire at around 3 to 4,000 RPM. When I hook up the oscilloscope, I'll put some of the waveform so you'll see. So it's again spark leaking on the primary, and again showing signs like it's shorting on the secondary. Right, so change the filter, just take out these 4 clips here, raise this up, slip it out, right, take out this one, you can see the condition. Alright, so there's the K&N. Reason for using the K&N, wasn't getting any filters to buy down here, and then the K&N reusable, so they could wash. Plus it also increased performance because it's breathing better. But we didn't buy it for the performance. We buy it because we wasn't getting any. I get it on Amazon at a reasonable price. The price I was going and pay for one down here, I get this one not reusable. Right, they just had to buy the cleaning kit and we're good to go. Right, now we're going and change the coil packs. The coils on them, the spark plugs new, so we're not changing any spark plugs, right? So we're disconnecting one, there's the front here, 2, 3, 4. Slackening the 10mm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Alright, so is it there? We take out the four coil packs, 16 years old, 18 years old, sorry. Right, Hitachi. So there's the 4 from the front. We're replacing it with these Hitachi here. Right, there's the new and the used one here. Right, there's the new one. Same part number, CM11-109. Old one, same thing, CM11-109. Right, we done have 3 in already. Putting in the last one. Right, so 4 in just to put in the 4 bolts. And then we attack in the back. Right, so these 4 in, there's the 4 fronts. On to the back now. So we take off this harness from here, and then we unclip it from on this one as well. Right, to get some slack so we could get access to the jacks. Right? So we just press the clip and pull out. but I have to work with my both hands. All the jacks off, and it's good move. Right, and then I want to add a aluminum heat shield. See, in the exhaust manifold right there, and then we got additional heat on the rear coil packs. So I want to shield them. Alright, so once they bolt out on jack, you just raise it out. Alright, no oil on the coil pack, so that's a good sign. These boots, I changed these boots, but it was still missing. Spark was still leaking. Right, these here is CM11108 coil packs. Same Hitachi. Right, so the rear 4 coil packs out. Alright, so the aluminum heat shield installed there to add additional heat protection from the rear coil packs. Right, and there's one of the new ones here. Same Hitachi. Right, but this one now had the CM part number on it. But the 108. Right, the front one was 109, this one is 108. Alright, first one. Alright, first one inside. Alright, this 3 more to go. Yeah, but I won't record all. It is basically the same thing. And then tighten them up. Four in the front. There's the CM11109. 4 new ones in the back. Hitachi CM11108. Right, and then we have the additional heat protection there. The embossed aluminum thermal protection, as well as the K&N high performance filter. Alright, carry it for a test run, see if we still getting any misfires. We good to go.